On the table.
What's that?
That's a present from Umi in Germany.
This.
It's a box. I'll show you to open it. Hold on. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you wave? Can you blow a kiss? To the camera. I love you.
William.
Liebe.
Reba.
Liebe, Umi.
Reba.
Try this.
What's this?
What is that? Oh, wow. There's a bunch of presents in there.
Hey, can I open this one?
Yeah. You can open it.
The one. What?
You want to look at the card first? Probably not going to be able to see what it says, though. 'Cause I don't know how to read German. Oops. That says, Dear Anthony, I love you so much. Love, Umi. Love, Umi, love, Umi, love, Umi. Yay! Umi's in Germany. Oh, you just woke up. All right, open the present.
What do I do?
Gotta look for the end of it. Ooh, what's that? Hurry up, you take forever. Is it a candy? Show me. Turn it around. Oh, that looks good.
What's these?
The candy bars. Like the Oreo cookies. All right, move on. Next one.
Can I open this?
Yeah.
What's the... Yeah.
Blow kisses again. Oh, you poke it. Here. Right there. Try this. Are you very excited? How excited are you? What's that? What is that?
No.
What does it look like? What is that on the shirt?
No.
What is that?
A pirate.
What does a pirate say? Arrgh! Look at how cute. Can you say thank you? Oh, wow. Go ahead.
Which one? Oh, those.
Yeah. You got all these presents because your Umi loves you. What's that? Nana came up. We got the package from Umi. Hi, Umi. She's sick.
We get your presents.
She... Hannah.
I got.
Hannah, woof woof. Say hi, Umi. Hannah. Woof woof. Oops. Look, that's from Umi. What is it?
A card.
A car. Wow. Let me see. Show him the camera. All right. What about this?
What's the one?
That looks like a book. This is a package that they thought was lost. Yeah, right there. Right there. What's that? What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, look at the animals. That's a coloring book. Open it up and show the camera. Wow. That's cool. Oh, we'll open the other presents. Hurry up. I want to open presents. Want color later?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Open more presents.
On this.
Oh, we'll open it. Okay, keep opening the presents. I think there might be more.
Is this yours? Census thing, or is this mine?
I'll do it.
Is it yours or
It's
mine?
it's the whole house.
Well, where's it addressed?
Where is it?
Do the whole house. I'm a geologist. Arr. Oops. Wow. Wow. Oh, let me see. Show the camera. Wow. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Guten Tag.
Guitar.
More present in there.
Oh, what's this?
I don't know.
What's the outside of it? Oh, there it is. Where's the other side? Hey, let's go.
Another one. What color is it?
I don't know.
Black?
Where?
Hold it up to the camera. Do you love it?
Yeah.
All right. Whoa. What's that? Throw it on the floor. Go ahead. Throw it on the floor. What's this? Oh my goodness. Look at how cute, Nana. School bus stop ahead.
Look at another present.
Another present.
Yeah.
Do you like your sweater? Look at it. Anthony, look at your sweater is waving. Hello. Hello. They and there's such nice presents.
Look at own it.
So it came just now and it was finished when?
Let me see it. Another coloring book. Wow. Can you say thank you for all these presents you got?
Oh, my present.
You?
You.
I love you, Umi. Look at your pirate shirt. Show Nana pirate shirt.
Look in there. Look.
He got a shirt with a pirate on it. She's not paying attention. Look at the cars. Okay, blow kiss to say bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you to the camera.
Thank you.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Liebe.
Liebe.
Liebe Umi.
Mommy.
I love you.
I love you.
Mwah.
Mwah.
My mommy's adorable.
I love you.